There are a couple of methods that can be used to upgrade a peer agent on non-clustered or standalone servers. Firstly, you could simply remote onto the server and run the installer, clicking Next until you can finish. But perhaps a more convenient method, if you have several standalone peer agents that need upgrading, is to use the Peer Management Center itself for that. In the Agents pane on the bottom left, you can select one or multiple non-clustered or standalone peer agents to upgrade, then right-click and select Install Software Updates. This process will install the new software version to each server and will then stop the currently installed version running. It'll then upgrade it to the newer version and will then start it back up again. Once it's showing as connected, you will see that it's now listed in the Agents pane in a green color. It's very important that you don't upgrade clustered peer agents using this method. They have to be upgraded manually, and I'll take you through that in the next video.